What up? This video I'm just gonna load up. Not gonna edit it or nothing, but it's gonna be real quick. I'm gonna show y'all how to do this man bun ponytail with the 2-strand twist. See, it just like hangs in the back like that. It's real easy. So, like I say, I got 2-strand twist, and I got 8 on each side. Just split it down the middle, and then I got 2, 2, 2, 2. So 8 on each side. That's 16 total. So it took a long time to do. So I wanted to film it, but it was just like it took me like 3 hours because. I mean, like I said in my other video, I'm not like a professional, and I don't be doing my hair like that all the time. So it took like way longer than I wanted to. But you know, maybe another time I'll try to like upload me doing it. But to you know, to put it up in the bun, all you need is a small twist towel, one of these, and is that it? And probably about this size, and then I'm gonna just pull it all the way to the back. So do it like that, and then just kind of pull it kind of tight because you want it to. I don't want it to be loose, so have this like that, and then pull it over. And that's pretty much it. So, you know, I do it like this because I really don't like just rocking it like with the twist hanging, because I probably would if it was like longer. So like maybe if I let it grow like down to here, I'd do that. But you know, like when you do this and it dries, you get shrinkage and all that. So, you know, you just got to deal with that. But anyway, just real quick, like I said, get y'all to spin around on it. And that's pretty much it. And stay tuned. I got more